Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous resto modded 1966 Corvette. This car is completely restored from the top to the bottom. Sitting on Foose wheels. You have Goodrich tires. Got Wilwood brakes all the way around. A little over 200,000 was spent on this car. It's got a 427, fully built, aluminum heads. JE Pistons, hydraulic street roller cam. Runs really strong, sounds great with the side pipes. About 525 horsepower. Big aluminum radiator. MSD Ignition. 5-speed Tremec. Paint and body is beautiful. Autometer gauges, very nicely done. Also, the suspension was completely upgraded. Basically the best of the best. Very nicely done. Stripes are all cleared in. Power antenna. Beautiful chrome. Tail lights, bezels, gorgeous. Love the flat black side pipes. Really nice attention to detail on this car. Functional cowl hood. Looks like it's a 4-inch. Very nice body lines on here as well. BF Goodrich tires are like brand new. Stripe goes all the way to the top. Inside we have a completely custom interior. Leather and suede seats. Tilt wheel. Autometer gauges. Complete fuel system too. Uh, 2,129 miles on the build. Clock's ticking too, tells you it's original instead of sweeping. Custom stereo. It's got satellite. Gorgeous door panels, brand new. Custom headliner. Matches the theme of the seats. There's your power antenna, completely up. Real nice felt all the way around too. Show you under the hood. See, the hood is completely functional. So there she is, 427, power steering, power brakes, hooker headers. Control arms are completely boxed and done. Those are custom. Wilwood master. MSD Ignition. These are aluminum Edelbrock former heads. Monster aluminum radiator. I think it's by Champion. With a big electric fan. Edelbrock Reformer high-rise manifold. Beautifully done. Also, the rear end is completely done as well. Monster sway bar, custom rear. Thing's no joke. Car. Sits so nice too. Motor's barely broken in. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out our website. We got about 300 photos of this car. We do offer worldwide shipping and financing. Hope to talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.